about?
Jesus! Kumala, wetin climb my leg just now?
Now wetin I be wan tell you now?
Wetin be that?
E get one big rat wey I don dey try
What?
catch since morning.
Yeah! Na him just climb my leg now.
Yes sir. Sorry sir.
Oh my God.
Why you never catch am since na?
The guy don dey do hide and seek since.
Hide and seek? So rats follow you enter this new year. Kai! Na wow! If this thing near me again, I swear I go scatter this studio.
Sorry sir.
Do your thing, make we leave you and your rat come out for here.
Okay sir.
But if Chelsea win that game, I swear I go retire from coaching. Better start the write your resignation letter because as I dey talk to you now, you don't retire. So you think say Chelsea go win the match? Since Toko joined Chelsea, he never played 3 consecutive EPL games without winning one match. And then play draw for his last 2 games. Chelsea don't already win that match. So now wetin dey inside your head be this? No wonder Oga Abramovich vex sack you. Mumutin is too full inside. Yeah! I swear this rat don't die. Who off light?
Sometimes the rat dey off light sir.
Jesus! We don't die with that now. Wait till I just hear now.
E don lock door sir.
Jesus is Lord.
Yeah!
Kai Keeper, I swear you no sabi catch am for ball. Shebi you know say na you cause all these things.
Cause wetin?
Na you cause make we lose the match now.
It's like something dey worry you for head.
Oh boy, no dey talk to Kante like that though.
Dem carry all our transfer money buy you. You come here dey play Balimboga. Come dey ask me who you be.
I go not you.
Lukaku, calm down.
I swear if this guy talk to me anyhow, I go not in chest come out.
See Babel, leave these 2 idiots. Make them fight. Their wahala for this club don't tire me safe.
If Lukaku not in chest come out, now go come dey post. Men dey no dey o.
Wallahi, I sabi catch ball past this basket.
Come dey post now.
You go come do my work for midfield. Because of you, Man City don't carry trophy.
Because of me? Thunder fire your papa.
Shege wawa. Dumb man.
How you take carry these boys reach second last season?
Hey, yeah. They done the shout right neck out.
They don dey shout am o. And no be say I don get the job full time sef. Na still interim I be.
Chai! It's very unfortunate.
Wetin dey unfortunate?
You never even start. Your hand done the shake.
Just tell me na. How you take do am?
If I tell you, you go do them.
I go fit try na. As I dey so now, I need help.
Okay. I go tell you 2 tiny secrets.
I dey hear.
Secret number 1. As far as Maguire no get injury, whether in day fight or not, always play him.
Why?
Because if you lose the game, na him the fans go blame.
Which kind secret be this one?
Shebi na you say make I tell you my secret.
Okay, wetin be the other one?
Fred na your key to success.
How? I no understand.
The guy talent na to dey frustrate people. He sabi frustrate opponent. Yes na. The only problem wey I get with him na say, he dey frustrate him teammate Jane. Even the fans sef, he dey frustrate them. The boy dey do wetin dem no send them.
I know say some people no dey like to bet for only football matter. For inside 1xBet, one of the plenty other sports wey you fit bet na tennis. Dem even get special promo for tennis wey dem dey call Grand Slam. 3 people go win first place prize wey be iPhone 13 Pro Max. 10 people go win second place prize wey be Xbox Series X. And 25 people go win Apple AirPod Max for 3rd place prize. But the thing no finish there o. Dem still get one final draw wey one person go win super prize, Audi A5 Sportsback S-Line. Before you participate for this promo, you know say you suppose register first. That is if you never register yet. And when you dey register, no forget to use our promo code GNEXT so that you go get 300% of your initial deposit. Make sure say you read their terms and conditions for every promo before you bet. And no forget to bet with sense. Thank you.
Oga Conte no come.
He say he no dey come.
Why?
He say him and Toko get problem. He must show am paper on Sunday.
Show me Pepe.
Na wetin him tell me. He say since he get mind to beat am home and away for Carabao Cup, he must chop your father for EPL.
E be like say something dey worry that guy for head. I never even start with am. He don dey provoke. I go beat shit comot for him yansh.
Na to dey run mouth you sabi na.
Wetin dey talk?
Come on to draw Man City, you no fit. Now they don almost carry league. We must to find way to stop Man City this season. This nonsense done too much.
But shebi na you talk say na local champion dem be, and nobody fit drag the title with them.
I know now, but no be say e go come turn EPL to Farmers League. See the gap wey him take dey pass all of us. If he can't carry EPL this season again, he go come make am 4 in 5 seasons. Haba, I no come farm for EPL.
Wetin we go come do? At least me I try stop am, but ref no gree.
Those of us who never play am home and away, we still fit do something. If we collect 3 points from the guy, me, Ragnick and Conte, we fit stop am.
Assuming you win your remaining games now.
Come on for here, Joe. Who they talk to you? You think I be you? You mistakenly carry Champions League last season. You come here, they make noise.
Club, no vex me oh.
Wetin you go do? You want dash Man City another 3 points? Thank God say you don't play them finish for EPL.
But club, wait though. Me and you know say my guy Ragnick no fit do Man City anything.
Oh boy, respect yourself oh. You know who I be.
I no know who you be, but I know where you dey for table. And people wey dey that side know they beat Man City.
Turn down.
Two of them get problem. Now the law match.
Draw match, fire. My former club go win that match, Joe.
You don't forget your blame for the rat mouth. Chelsea and Tottenham no be your former club.
Come on for here, Joe. I mean Tottenham. Chelsea get virus now as I dey talk to you. Mental virus. The type where they suck your energy when you start the play match.
Which kind of virus is that talk?
The type where been attack Man U when I see they coach them. It's still the Man U now safe. Forget Chelsea gra for Carabao Cup. Tottenham go wire them for EPL.
This virus what you that talk about? Now him still follow you enter Roma.
Madio Harumansion.
Sorry, I beg help me check this guy temperature.
Come out your hand for my body, Joe. Wetin dey worry you?
You know where?
You no believe me?
Why I go believe your superstitious nonsense?
Help me ask Kamel.
Oh yeah, which other reason go make Ghana and Algeria come out for group stage? See party after party na. Arsenal boss been dey wait for them for stadium gates before them even played out their last group stage match. Immediately match finish, driver no even ask am who win. Them just bundle the guy put for motor with him Ghana jersey. Like say na kidnap them kidnap am. As he reach Emirates Stadium, I'm not even sure whether him back safe. Ateta just carry the guy put inside match. It remains small, the guy for carry Ghana jersey enter pitch go play Liverpool.
Oh boy, Molinho, at the hell oh.
I beg my hell. This supper stairway just tell us now. Where he originates from?
Una think inside the lie? Okay, what of Algeria wey come up from group stage still carry last join? When you think say Mahrez dey now? Guardiola swear say maximum games wey him fit play for AFCON na 3 games. Na the same thing Moyes do Ben Rama. Ndidi and Co never start dey go Leicester City.
Oga, carry your nonsense talk trick for yash.
Okay nah, no problem.
Wait first too, the thing get side effects.
Which kind side effects?
If you use them, you go notice say you no go fit carry Champions League again. You go forever dey carry only local trophies.
Now wow. Okay now, I go think am.
Oga Teta, you no need think am na. No matter what you play for this life, Arsenal no fit ever for this life carry.
Before you complete that thing where you want talk, you better think long and hard about the consequences.
Okay sir, sorry sir. You get any other thing where you want buy?
But
But waiting,
you know they say those kind things.
ma die.
You say waiting.
Oga Teta, this thing where you want do, I know they like am oh.
Okay, you dey sell players.
God have mercy on Ronaldo. All those footballers where they watch, even the ones where you get for your club, now maybe they are secret agents now.
Jesus is Lord.
Shock you. Some people they call me middleman because I dey in the middle of everything. No carry me joke oh. In short, when my mama born me, I been follow for me to come out.
Okay now, I won't buy Lewandowski.
You won't buy am for person abi you want just price am.
Which kind question come be this one? I won't buy him for my club now. We need better striker.
Yeah, Oga Teta, I no sure say you sabi wetin you fit buy and wetin you no fit buy you.
What?
Wetin you dey talk?
But even Miracle no fit give you Lewandowski.
It's like you won't die.
You see how this your gun dey point my head ba? Even if you shoot 100 bullets enter my skull, Miracle fit help me survive.
What?
But I swear Miracle no fit give you Lewandowski.
Your father!
Sorry, you dey hear wetin dey sup for news?
That 2 eyes and that 2 ears where you don't they see for my face. You think say na for fashion?
I say make I ask nah. The thing surprise me oh. I swear I been no expect am.
Nobody fit expect that kind thing now. Especially as the boy still get plenty potential.
E no get any potential, Joe.
Green Goblin no get potential.
Who dey talk about Greenwood? I dey talk about my guy wey dey here, Lampard.
So, I no get potential.
Oh boy, that Everton job big pass your destiny.
You say wetin?
You wan achieve relegation with them?
Just because your career dey crash like Bitcoin, no mean say my career go dey like your own.
Na your papa career dey crash like Bitcoin.
Oga Ole, since they don't comot Nigeria and the people wey comot them don't comot, which country dey tip now to carry am? Senegal.
Finally, person don follow me get sense.
You think say you get sense? Now usually people wey think say them get sense no get am.
Your father.
Oga Lampard, what of you?
Since Egypt don't comot my main guys, still comot Morocco wey stubborn well. Na them I go support now. Wetin dey funny?
E be like say e don smell a finger somewhere. Lampard, you mess.
Yeah, papa. So my mates don turn to laughing gas now.
Even this madman wey dey here, e dey support Senegal because dem dey hold in car.
You say waiting.
Na mumu man go bet in car.
Sorry, respect yourself oh. No dey call me mumu man.
But na only mumu people dey do that kind thing.
Make Thor forget hammer on top your blockers, idiot.
I hope that you drop all your disciplinary issues for London before you come here. Because I no one here say you forget your boot for Dubai. Come go catch COVID for nightclub. I know they tolerate indiscipline for here. Even though I know they carry gun up and down like Ateta, my own punishment was pass. Because now from Guardiola hand I learn.
Coachy, my man, no worry. I no carry.
Shut up there. I know be your man. No ever call me your man. And if you dey talk to me, make sure say you put sir inside.
Okay, sir.
As a matter of fact, we dey even struggle to enter top 4. I buy you na sound that go help me sharpen our attack. The attack we get before na scam.
What?
The media hype go make them buy the pay. Inside rap and football, I no know which one the guy like pass. That the young own. Person wey buy him suppose chop ban for the rest of his life from football.
Oh
and
my
Ansu
God.
Fati, I no know whether na Dembele. That one won't go follow fulfilling potential for hospital.
Hey, coachy, this thing where the pay hear me, not true? Say players they wash toilet turn by turn for here because money no dey to bring the people wey go wash am.
No mind am. Na just say if you wan use toilet, you go follow wash am. If you no wan wash am, you fit comot stadium go bush go piss or shit.